Jesus Villa, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Marcelo Palistis, SGOD Chief Dr. Milagros G. Suyo, CID OIC Chief Dr. Adonis A. Torres, our dearest Principal, Mrs. Jerry R. Torres, distinguished guests, teachers, fellow completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed afternoon to all of us. In kindergarten, we had so much fun. We learned how to write letters, read books, count numbers, and even do some science experiments. We sang songs, played games, and made so many new friends. And so, in behalf of the kindergarten completers for this academic year 2024-2025, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all those people behind our success. I want to thank my Teacher Jazz, for helping us learn and always being so kind. Thank you to our parents and families for cheering us on and helping us with homeworks. To you, dear classmates, thank you and congratulations to all of us. In the Bellofi, our social skills and to home, we share our laughters inside our classroom. Our dearest Tambakal Elementary School, we are really proud of you for this school year's learning experiences in kindergarten. Thank you, thank you. And most of all to you, dear Lord, thank you so much for giving us wisdom and strength. This will not be possible without your continuing guidance and unending love for us, your children. I will miss kindergarten, but I'm excited to go to first grade. I will keep learning, making new friends, try my best every day. Thank you everyone for coming to celebrate with us. Congratulations to all my